Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we making tonight, Kaylee?
We're making witch cupcakes.
Witch cupcakes? Like the Wicked Witch of Wizard of Oz?
Yes.
Woo! Did you know that her name was actually, she was an actress, Margaret Hamilton?
I didn't know that.
Did you know that the green makeup that they put on her actually had copper mineral in it or something, and it actually stayed on her face for like weeks afterwards?
Wow. Yeah.
After they filmed. And this is kind of fun, I thought. Did you know that Glinda the Good Witch was actually 18 years older than the wizard, than the witch, than the Wicked Witch? Ooh, she didn't look like it, did she? Mm-mm. No. Anyways, okay, so today we're gonna actually be more creating than cooking. But we thought it'd be fun, and I think it would really be fun, like for, you know, if schools wanted to do it, like with their kids, make a little craft.
Yep.
But things they could take home. So anyways, we're going to make witches with pre-made cupcakes, and I'm going to show you how to frost them, and we're going to show you how to make the witches hats, right? Okay, so first we're going to start with the witches hats.
So
which are going to be,
we have like
Oreos
and cones.
And cones. Okay, so now we're going to cut the cones. I wanted to show you guys. I know it's kind of wasteful, but you probably wouldn't have to cut the cones if you bought bigger cookies. So just FYI. So I'm going to cut these down. And I'm cutting them because I want them to be able to sit up on the cookie straight. All right, so then we're gonna put those over there. We'll use them for something else later. Okay, so now we're going to melt our chocolate. So we're gonna put chocolate bars in there. Kaylee, would you go microwave those for about 30 seconds? Okay, so we just took this out of the microwave, and it's a little warm, so we're stirring it. And this was almond bark, so you can just buy it from and follow the recipe, the directions on the back of the package. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now, we're gonna take your Oreo and dump it in there. And remember, this is hot, so you're gonna use the fork and kind of just bury it, like buried treasure, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then you're gonna pick it up, and we're gonna just shift it back and forth or bang it a little bit. Okay, so we get a little of the extra off, and then gonna put it down, okay? Now we'll take the cone and we're gonna roll it a little bit. Roll it gentle because we don't want to smash it. Let's do this one this way. Let's see if I can see. Okay. Hold on.
Mom, don't do the last one.
No, I want you to do it. Okay. Go ahead. Bury it. Oh, good job. Go ahead. Okay. And I did say this was almond bark, right? So, yep. Go ahead. Do it one more time so the top looks pretty. This is how you could also make little gifts of Oreo, chocolate-covered Oreos, you guys, if you have to make teacher gifts. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Dip them in white. Okay, you're going to put that over there, and I'll do the other part. Okay. Now there might be an easier way to do this cones. I haven't figured it out. So if you guys figure it out, you can let us know, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now what I wanted to show you guys is we bought pre-made cupcakes, right? Mm-hmm. Now, if I would have had more time, I would have just asked them to frost them in green and we wouldn't have to frost them. But if you have to frost them, I wanted to show you guys a quick tip. So I'm just gonna knock this off because we don't need this. So just bear with me for a minute. Okay, too bad I made them green, but we might actually wash it off a little bit. All right, we're not gonna worry about it too much. But what I wanted to show you guys is these bags that you can get at Michael's, you don't have to have tips, okay? So all I did was buy the Funfetti, which came with the eyes, and it was already the color green. I didn't have to worry about mixing and dyeing. And then I used a cup, glass cup, just so I could see, and then I filled it up in there.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're gonna just shake this down to the bottom a little bit, so you don't want bubbles. I haven't cut it yet. I'm gonna show you guys that. But you know, I'm just twisting it, and you can get the little clips. I didn't get the clip for today, but just wanted to show you guys so it could be fast and easy. All right, so now, because we're also gonna let Kaylee do it. Let a little. Now, I'm not an expert at this. I'm sure there's experts out there, but I can get by, right?
Yes.
We can at least have a little fun. All right, so I'm going to just clip the tip, and we want it to be fairly fat, so I'm gonna do a fairly thick clip. Okay, so now, okay, I'm gonna help you. Hold on, don't squeeze too much. Okay, so 2 hands, and we're gonna just go around, right? We're gonna go around. Okay, over here. Okay, there you go. Put it back in the cup. Then you can tie that up and that can be saved for another day. Okay, so now, Miss Kay, now we have our cupcakes ready, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, technically, our little hats, okay, so now, Kayla, we're just gonna take that and wrap it around there and then push it there, and then bring this one up and connect. See? Go ahead. There you go. Hold it for a minute. Don't push, hold it for a minute so it dries. Okay, now we'll let that go over there and dry for a minute. Okay, all I did was use a little bit of the chocolate, you guys. And these were the little strips we got from what? From the, where did we get these?
Tree.
Dollar Tree, right? The little, so, you want to do this one, Kay?
I put on.
You're gonna put it on? Okay, I'm just dabbing the ends, you guys. And then we're going around. Oh, this one was still wet. Okay. Okay, so we have our witches hats done.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna let them just dry. So I'm gonna move these out of the way for a minute and move on to our cupcakes. So I'm just gonna put that up there for a moment and move this over here. Just move those over there. Okay, Kay, so now, okay, this is a fun one. So Kaylee, you're gonna go stick that in the, here, let's take 2 at a time and we'll both do 1 at a time. These are Tootsie Rolls, you guys. Put those in the microwave for 5 seconds. Okay, so we microwave those for 5 seconds. Now we're just gonna roll it out, right?
Mm-hmm, like a piece of dough. Okay.
And make it flat.
Like we're making,
Actually, well, the way I did it, here, let me borrow the scissors. You gotta make it flat. Good thing you have scissors, huh? Just cutting it. We're gonna give her some hair. Right? Now we gotta wait for our...
no, I haven't done that one.
You have one done, so cut it. Cut your pieces so you have hair.
I'll put the eyebrows on too, what?
Let me see which ones we've got done. Yep, let's... Oh, she's coming alive. They can't see yet. All right, so now, right?
Mm-hmm. Excuse me?
I'm gonna put her eyes on so you can at least see what it looks like. Now we gotta get a nose. Okay, so what I did was they had the 2-for-1 now and laters, you guys. I know we went to the dollar store, we spent a couple bucks. Now you just gotta mold this into like a, I cut it off and just gotta mold it into a nose, okay? Whatever kind of nose you want her to have.
Okay.
And I'll cut this part for the next.
Let me see, I'm going through the life. Oh. She have like a big nose or little nose?
Well, not too big. You just want to get it like a, oh, that's. Okay, so that's one witch done. All right, we're gonna. Okay, so you're rolling on the noses. I'm cutting the hair. Pointy nose. Got one nose.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to put the witch's hat on here? I'll put her nose in, and you put the hat on. That one's too wet. Okay, how about that one? We'll put it this way so the audience can see. Turn it that way, turn it around. Okay, now what do they need?
Eyes.
Okay, stick her eyes on. Over here, by her nose. Okay, good job. There you go, she's beautiful. Another one. Ta-da! So you can see our little cutie pies, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? They would be
I
fun
like
to
it.
bring into a party, right?
Mm-hmm.
Create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum.
If you like our video, please subscribe. We're on YouTube now. Please subscribe. If you want to make this for Halloween, can I see your recipe? Can I see your Halloween decoration?
Yeah, see if you guys cook with some Halloween festivities. Show us on Facebook. Let us see what you're cooking. We'll have a happy Halloween, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.